Now, just to put this into perspective with Drupal, because a lot of what we're learning here is building up to being able to work with Drupal and understand some of the architectural choices that are made in Drupal. In Drupal, there's usually both a file and a database component to templates. You can often either build something through the user interface in Drupal, or you can create a file to generate that page or that interface. So this here is helping you hopefully see the distinction between those two. When there's situations where we have a lot of PHP code, we have a lot of logic or complicated HTML we don't want somebody to manipulate, then oftentimes that will end up in a file. If it's mostly markup, mostly HTML, then a lot of times that will end up in the database as content that can be edited by content editors. Now, the one other pages we haven't looked at yet are our admin pages, our pages, products, and users pages. Now, these are exclusively PHP code, and probably this is code that we want to keep as files to make it easier to work with in a text editor. So these we're going to keep as files as well.